You want to know exactly how to improve your SEO? Today, we're building a brand new n8n workflow, Analyze My Website. This workflow is based on two AI agents, a technical SEO expert and a content SEO expert. They will crawl your website, audit your pages, and send the report straight to your inbox. Let's start building. This is a preview of the final workflow, but we're going to start from scratch. So just log into n8n, create workflow, and you can name it any way you like. I'll just name it Analyze My Website 2, just so I know that's the sample we're building here together. The first step would be on form submission. That's the first trigger. And here, we're going to put the title, Analyze My Website. For the first trigger, we're just building on form submission. And this is where we're building the specific form for our landing page, where I'll show you exactly how it looks. It's where you enter your landing page URL and you press submit, and that's how your workflow will start to analyze everything. So let's just close this and come here, and how you would set this up is just open this node, form title, Analyze My Website. Description would be enter your website URL below to get a free SEO audit. From here, we're going to add form element, and we're going to put landing page URL and text and placeholder. You can add your website as a placeholder. I'll just add mine here. And then we move on to the next step. Next step would be scrape website. So HTTP request. And we're going to rename this to scrape website. So for here, I'll provide the workflow free for download, but I also have Analyze Your Website. So if this is easier, just come here for scrape website. So just copy and paste, and then just JSON landing page URL, and then the method is get. This way, it can scrape your website, get the information from your landing page. Next note is the code. We're going to add some custom code here, just because for the AI models, if your website has a lot of information, it will probably cost you a lot of characters, so the workflow would fail. So here we're adding this code, which you can simply copy and paste from here to limit the scrape page to first 5,000 characters. And add a clean file. This code will give you the clean content. Next step will be adding the AI agents. We're going to start with the technical SEO agents. Let's go AI agent now. And here we'll add the technical audit. You're going to build the technical audit and the content audit agents separately. And from here, you're going to connect your API keys from Open AI account. If you don't have API keys, you can go to platform openai.com and collect your OpenAI keys. But basically, you need to connect the chat model to each agent. When the AI model is collected, they can do the job, right? So let's do AI agent, and we're going to create this agent would be the content audit. For the specific prompt for the content audit agent, just copy and paste this prompt from the SOPs that I provided. Link in the description below. You can also analyze the prompt, and if you want to change something, Just go ahead and change the prompt. Define below and then paste. Region would be here. Do the same for the technical audit. I have both prompts in the SOPs, and then you connect both agents. From here, you're gonna create a merge node, append to, and that's all we need. And let's go back to the original. So you see how I have it set up here in the original. So the agent tools agent defined below, and here you have the prompt. Same here for the content. You will add a simple memory. In the simple memory node, just add this code right here, also in the SOPs. The next node is aggregate. Pretty simple. Add this node and the output. It just aggregates the output together. The next one is markdown to HTML. So here where this node, you have to make sure to be marked down to HTML, therefore to be sent to your email, right? Same thing, you just put JSON output for the technical audit and for the content audit. And the last node is where you connect your credentials with the Gmail account. That's where it sends message to your Gmail. And then operation is sent to the Gmail. And then here on page SEO is the subject and then HTML type. And that's your workflow. I tested it once. Maybe there are some improvements that they can be made. For the OpenAI chat model, I recommend using GPT-5 Nano. Depending on how big is your landing page, you can use another model. But this is made specifically for e-commerce, where landing pages have a lot more information, text, images, and all this data. And you can actually run this workflow once a month and see where the problems with your content are, therefore update them and make your SEO better. So let's run this. Let's execute this workflow. Okay. When we're testing this workflow, it shows us the critical issues. This is from the technical agent. And therefore, there's a lot of things that I need to be working on here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.